Can the textile industry survive without solving these challenges? The textile industry, a cornerstone of global manufacturing, is at a crossroads. While it fuels economies and generates millions of jobs, it's also under immense pressure. Challenge number 1: rising raw material and energy costs. Cotton, dyes, energy, everything's getting expensive. Unstable global markets and geopolitical tensions only worsen it. Challenge number 2: labor shortages and skill gaps. Despite automation, skilled workers are still the backbone of this industry. But younger generations are opting out, leading to an aging workforce and declining productivity. Challenge number 3: environmental pressures. Water pollution, excessive energy use, and hazardous waste, sustainability isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Challenge number 4: supply chain disruptions. From COVID to container shortages, even a minor delay can shut down production lines. Challenge number 5: outdated technology. Many factories still run on legacy systems, leading to inefficiencies, low quality, and missed deadlines. So how do we fix it? Invest in smart manufacturing. Automation, AI-driven planning, and real-time quality control are game changers. Skilling the workforce. Programs in advanced textile operations, digital tools, and sustainable practices must be rolled out, and fast. Adopt sustainable processes. Waterless dyeing, eco-friendly fibers, and waste recycling not only reduce harm but also unlock premium markets. Strengthen supply chains. Diversify sourcing, use digital logistics platforms, and build local partnerships for better resilience. Upgrade legacy systems. Modern ERP tools, data analytics, and IoT sensors can drastically boost operational efficiency. The textile industry is evolving, and those who adapt will lead. The question is, will you?